Going over natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the tunnel analysis on the winner chart. We are in slightly positive MACD. As we extend that to the 4-hour chart, we remain in positive MACD, seeing signs of a diverge. We're slightly off of overbought levels with the RSI. With the daily chart, we are in positive MACD and approaching to overbought condition with the RSI. As with the trade idea, I'm trading UNG. My position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $15.06, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $16.61. My stop loss is at $14.75. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $17.48, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $15.40, and my stop loss is at $18.41. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. And as we progress to the 5th day or week of natural gas, it has a 28% chance to climb between 0 to 7%. To the downside, it has a 61% chance to fall between 0 to negative 7%, and 11% chance to fall between negative 7 to negative 15%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.